This Vauxhall Agila shares the same engine and gearbox as the Suzuki Splash. So basically it's got a Japanese engine and gearbox, which was a joint venture with Vauxhall and Suzuki at that time when this Agila was made. Best move Vauxhall ever made was putting a Japanese engine and gearbox in one of their vehicles. Shame they didn't carry on with it with other vehicles. Whisper quiet engine, smooth gearbox.